guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome to the video. Today I wanted to do a start of a series on my channel, like Throwback Thursday. I just wanted to, like, every Thursday to try and do a tutorial with a older palette, or maybe just a palette that isn't super old but no one like talks about anymore. So this week I wanted to do it on the Modern Renaissance Palette, especially because it's almost Valentine's Day and it's kind of like a Throwback Thursday and Valentine's Day look in one. It's something pretty simple and I love this palette. As you guys can tell, it's really loved. And yeah, so before we get started, be sure and subscribe to my channel and we'll start the tutorial. Alright, so first I'm going to dip into the shade Tempera. It's this nude one right here. And I'm just going to basically just set my eye again. I did already set with some translucent powder, but I'm going to go ahead and do that again. I'm just using my Morphe E22 to do this. You can just use whatever. You don't even need to do this part, but I like layering a bunch of colors down so everything will blend out smoother. Okay. I'm kind of like looking at it. I kind of want to do something with like pinks. I know it's almost Valentine's Day and I'm like really into a pink shadow lately. So I think next I'm going to go in with the shade, oh my gosh, I don't know how to pronounce these. It's like Blonde Fresco. I don't know. This one right here, I'm not good at pronouncing shade names, but it's like a pretty light mauve. And I'm going to take my Morphe M433 and I'm going to blend this into my crease. Just tap off the excess because this palette does have some fallout and kickback. I thought this one and the Subculture honestly about the same for me personally. So this palette just definitely has more like warm tone and cool tone like shades honestly, but it's like more wearable, like everyday colors people would go to, like the neutrals and pinks, which just makes it a great Valentine's Day palette. Next, I really want to go into the shade Love Letter, I'm thinking. I'm going to use like a smaller brush that I have. I don't know the name. It's from like their Copper Dream set. If you have it, it's like the more tapered one. Just use like any fluffy tapered brush. I just love it for doing like anything right in my crease. If you have hooded eyes, you would love this brush because it just makes your life easier. Actually, looking at this shade, I kind of want to pack it on to my lid, I'm thinking, and then maybe put like the Blonde Fresco like in the middle and then also like smoke out. I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna dip back into the mauve shade, you know, that Fresco, whatever, and blend this out a little bit more. This is what I go through every morning. I'm like so indecisive half the time, and like I just have to make a decision because I don't have like forever to get ready. Okay, next I'm gonna dip into the Love Letter shade. I'm just gonna use this like flatter Morphe brush I have. It's kind of like a shader brush or something. Tap off the excess and just pack this on. Oh my gosh, I love that color. So pink. I'm just like really in the mood for Valentine's Day and I don't know why, because I mean, it's just like Valentine's Day. Luckily, I got a man who treats me great most days of the year. He can be a turd, so let's just say all the time, but let's be honest, he can be a turd instead of just on holidays. Like, if he only got me like flowers or took me out on Valentine's Day only, like, I would not be with him. Your girl likes to eat. I don't know if I get him. I know it's like a girl's holiday. He keeps saying that, but like I want to get him something. His birthday is the end of February. So he really wants these snowboard boots and bindings that Burton came out with. And I really want to get them for him, but like they're out of stock. One, they're expensive, but we've been saving. So I was just going to surprise him and get them because he needs new boots and bindings and you know he really wants them. Plus his first like actual birthday together. It was like a year into dating. I bought him a snowboard, so like I kind of want to do that again. This would be kind of cute since I have before. Because he snowboards with me. I ski, but he snowboards. But yeah, I just thought it'd be nice. So I don't know. I'm hoping they come back in stock so I can get them for him. So now I'm going into the shade Blonde Fresco. I don't know why I'm using this fluffy brush because it's not going to pack on as well, but here we are. So I'm just going to do that. Just going to take it halfway and then blend it. And then I'm going to go back in to do Love Letter again. So I don't lose any of that bright pink. If you wanted to, you could like deepen it and everything, but I kind of like just want to leave it the way it is because I don't want any of the brown colors to like take away from it. And the one Valentine, I don't know how to pronounce these. It has like a V word and red in front of it. It looks kind of red, which I know it has the word red in it, but like you'd think it would be pink, but it's not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my eyes using my NYX matte liquid liner in black. I literally just, this is all I use now for my upper lid. You can wing it if you want, but most of my lashes you're not gonna see wings, so I never really worry about it unless I'm doing like a cut crease or something. But you ever just have those moods where like you know you have a long day ahead of you and you just don't want to go? Because that is me right now. While this is drying, I'm just going to go ahead and start on my lower lash line. I'm going to take this Morphe R41 and I'm going to dip into the shade Blonde Fresco. I'm just going to keep calling that even if it's wrong because that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to sweep this under here. I'm just going to leave that shade because I feel like if I put the other shade, I'll look like I got hit in the face or something. Oh yeah, and we finally set our date that we're getting married. We pushed it back. We wanted to do this year, but we're kind of like dragging our feet, like getting everything going because of school and everything. So me and I'm talking like we kind of want to have our lives together and hopefully have a house by the time we get married. So we pushed it back to 2019 and May 4th is our date. We picked our venue. And I have an idea about food and stuff, but we just have to like make sure everything works out. Find DJ and all that stuff. But yeah, it's really nice. It's freaking expensive. More than we wanted, but my mom's like, oh yeah, let's just do it, I'll help. I'm like, okay, hope so. I mean, if not, I guess we're both making decent money now together. I think together now we actually have like an income that's like pretty decent. We've been able to save quicker, but I'm really excited to find our date. Yes, I know it's Star Wars Day. Chris and my dad are both like, oh, whatever Chris wanted to do when I start down the aisle, start playing the dun dun dun. I was like, I will kill you. And then he said, no, I would just switch it right back after. I was like, yeah, I'd kill you. But my dad's like, no, don't do it then. He's like, do it when you guys get introduced. And I'm like, I don't know, like, believe me, I really like Star Wars. Like, we go watch them, I think they're great, like, but not at my wedding. Like, I told me he can have his groomsmen cake that, and then if we have like a photo booth, maybe we'll make props that are like Star Wars themed or something, just to like please them. Okay, for lashes, I'm gonna use my Ardell Mega Volume in style 250. I don't know why, like usually it's good to check. I already know these are gonna fit. This looks so much more. Oh, they're not down all the way, that's why. Anywho's, so I'm gonna use my Duo lash glue. Alright, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup. I just threw on my Charlotte Tilbury blush in the shade Love Glow, and then for highlight I did use the Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne highlighter palette. Thank you, Laura, for talking me into that. I really love how this look came out. And yeah, I didn't put on a lip just because I'm going to be drinking water and I'm going to work. So if I do put one on, it's going to be like later on in the day. But yeah, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys like this kind of Throwback Thursday series. I know some of you guys said you did, and you requested palettes that I either gave away or I don't have anymore because I don't know. I don't want something to sit in my collection if it's not going to get used. Like every palette over here on this wall, I literally will rotate in my, like, process of getting ready, I guess. There's only like 2 that are just like I am like collecting, I guess, and I don't use them as much as I want, but yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did, and be sure and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell if you want to be notified when I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.